Relax, 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 relax. Remember, kama wewe uko advanced level, you can do as many reps as possible. You don't have to limit yourself to 15 or 20 reps. If you feel you can do 25, still at the same timing as we're counting for the rest, please push it harder. Sawa. So if you finish before us, push yourself, okay? For the people who are just starting, for the beginners, intermediate and all that, 10 to 15 reps is enough, okay? You ready, Nelly? From there, we're doing a raised arm circle. So you raise your arm straight, then you circle, you circle, you circle, you circle. Remember, if the weights are too heavy, you don't necessarily have to have them, okay? Perfect. Twende kazi. Push it. Take it up, up, down. Good job. Those are 6, 7. Tuko hapa, shoulder bado guys. Twende kazi. Those are 10 to go. 1, 2, twende, push it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give me 5 more. 25 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax those arms. We are back to the biceps again. This one we're doing something we call a concentrated curl. Hapa. Look at the posture. Your elbow locks in here. Apo. Sawa. You can do it seated down on a seat. Kama in case you have knee issues or knee injury or anything, you can just take a bench, keti chini, then just lock your elbow hapa kwa hii mguu. Sawa. Then I want a full range of motion. Mkono iende all the way down, then back up. Perfect. Chini, up. Chini, up. Those are 2. Twende kazi. 3. Give me some speed, Nelly. Let's go. 4, 5. Good job. Let's go, guys. 6, 7, 8. Push it. 9, 10. Breathe. 10 to go. 1, 2. You're doing good. You're doing good, guys. You're doing good. You're doing good. Twende kazi. Don't quit. That's 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Relax. Change to the other hand. Same. 20 reps. Okay? Remember, lock it there. Hapo. Nelly, I want you to face the camera that side. Hapo. Nataka wakuone. Hiyo mkono ya left. Hapo. Twende kazi. You see what Nelly is doing? That's exactly what I want you guys to do. Twende hapo. Full range of motion. Iende chini, irudi juu. Twende. You're doing fine. Yes, twende kazi.
It hurts.
Twende, I know. The burning sensation, yeah?
Yeah.
7, 8, 9. Those are 10. 10 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. 7. Good job. 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Breathe. Perfect. Tumemaliza bicep. Tunarudi wapi? Tunarudi tena triceps again. Now, we're doing the tricep push down. Imagine you're in the gym, you have this machine ahead of you, hapa mbele yako, umeshikilia the cables and you're pushing it down. Okay, now we're using the bottles. So you have your bottles here. I want you to face this side. Face on the side. Perfect. Hapo. Relax. Remember your back. Don't arc it much. Just a little bit. Hapo. Kama tu venye unafanyia kwa gym too. There's not much difference. So we're here. Pushing it down. Easy. Feel the movement. Easy. Yes. Up. Good job. Those are 4. Twende kazi. 5, 6.
Oh, it burns so much.
7, 8. Twende guys. Push it. 9. Good job. 10. Bado tuko hapa. 10 more. 1. When you're complaining hizi mataya, sijui nini, these are the workouts guys. Biceps, triceps. Tunachoma hii. 7 to go. Twende kazi. 6 left. Last 5. 4 to go. Good job, Nelly. Let's go. 3 to go, guys. Push it. 2 more. Last one. Relax. Tuko hapa. Good. Now, I'm gonna place. I want Nelly to sit here. Good job. Katie. Now, we're getting into a Russian twist. Sawa. Songa nyuma kidogo, Nelly. Just move backwards kidogo. Perfect. Now, we're engaging the sides, the core, hapa. Sawa. We're doing something we call the Russian twist. Hapa. I want those bottles to go all the way down. chini, ziguze chini, hivyo. Good job Nelly, push it. Push it. Twende kazi. Twende kazi, eh? If you feel you want to challenge yourself, you can take your legs up a bit there. Sawa. Apo, I know. Twende kazi. Push it, push it, push it. If you want to challenge yourself up, just raise your legs up a bit, then just engage the core and twist to sides, okay? Twende kazi. Push it. Don't quit on me, guys. You can't. You cannot even try. Uwezi hata fikiria kitu kama hiyo. You cannot fathom such. Never. Twende kazi. Twende kazi. 10 to go. This one we're pushing it at least 30 reps. Twende. 8 to go. 7 to go. Good job, Nelly. 6 to go. 5 to go. Those who complain is mataya as issues doing nini, we're strengthening our core, we're working on our core. Twende kazi. 4 to go, Nelly. Last 3. Push it. Last 2. Last 1. Perfect. Relax. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Relax. Now, from there tunaingia shoulder planks. So, I want you to have your bottles hapa mbele yako. Just press them hapo tu mbele yako. Okay? You have them there mbele yako. So now, we're doing a shoulder tap. This is basically a shoulder tap. Hapo. Sawa. Your hands are straight. Your legs are straight. You facing. Yes, guys, hapo. Already engaging the core just by the virtue of you being there. So if you can do what I'm going to demonstrate next, just stick there. You're doing the right thing. Okay. So we're doing the shoulder taps. So you tap right, tap left, take the water, face up. Hapo. Sawa. Then you change. Tap, tap. The other hand. And up. Then shoulder tap. Then the other hand. And up. Perfect. Nelly, you ready? I'm ready for you. Are you ready? Are you ready? We're starting. We're starting. Get ready. Sawa. Do what you can, guys. If you can't go that much, just hold it there. It's still a good plank. Turn Nelly. Up. Face up. I want you to twist your body and face the roof. Perfect. Turn there. Tap. Tap. Take the water. Up. The other one. Up. Good job. Those are 2. Turn kazi. Push it. Good job, Nelly. Try to twist your body. Kabisa. As you face up, twist it. Ivo. Keep the hand up to the ceiling. Turn kazi. Those are 4, guys. Turn kazi. Control the weight of the water. Yes, Ivo. Those are 5. Turn kazi. 10 more to go. Those are 6. Yes, I'm counting. The other side. Those are 7. Turn the kazi. 8 to go, Nelly. Doing well. You're doing well. Turn there. Up. And up. Those are 8. 7 to go. 6 to go. You're doing fine. Don't complain. Do what you can. If you can't be on that plank position for long, put your knees down on the mat and just stretch it out. Alright. Whatever you do, don't stay still. Whatever you do, keep on moving. Keep on trying. Today it might be very hard. It might be very tough. But you're getting there, guys. Like I said, consistency. That's what we're looking at. It's not an issue of perfection. It's not about how much of the workout you can do. It's how consistent you're going to be in terms of your workout. Okay? So Nelly, give me 4 more. 4 more, Nelly. You're doing 5. Good job. 3 more. Only 3 to go. 3. Good job. 2 to go. If you can twist it all the way up, perfect. If you can't, do what you can. That's it. Emulate it to your level best. Good job, Nelly. Take a breather. Relax. Breathe. How are you feeling? Yeah, it's burning, eh? That's set number 1. So we're taking a 30-second breather. Relax. We're here. We're doing an active rest. We're here. March down. It's an active rest for at least 20 more seconds. Tuko hapa. Five more seconds. Good job. Nelly, are you ready? Come back to your position, Nelly. We're starting back again from the top. Tunaanza na biceps tena. Tuingie triceps. Sasa, tulianza na hammer curl with the bicep curl. So remember, bicep curl comes up curling. Your fingers are literally kind of facing you. With the hammer curl, it's the opposite. As if you're hammering something. All right? We ready?
Yeah.
Nelly, we ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Hammer curl. Give me a hammer curl. Let's go. Give me a bicep curl. Give me a hammer curl. That's 2. 3. Give me a curl. Give me a hammer. 4. Use whatever you can. Something light, something heavy, depends on your physical fitness level, guys. So give me what you can. Give me what you can. Twende kazi. 10 to go. 8 left. Nelly, good job. You're doing perfect.
Oh, yeah.
7 to go. Twende kazi. You feeling it?
Yeah.
Perfect. 6 to go. 5 to go. 4 left. 4 to go. 3 to go. 2 to go. You're doing fine. Last one. Relax. 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 10 seconds breather. Relax those arms. From there, remember, tunaingia kickback with an overhead extension. If you want to challenge yourself, I challenge you, go into a squat position. Sawa sawa. Only for the overhead extension. Here. You can also be engaging your legs at the same time. Sawa sawa. So tunaanza na kickback. Nelly, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Start. 1, 2. Don't swing. Easy. Up. 3, 4. I want your body firm like that. Don't swing. I know most of us don't want to katabia ka. I know it's the rhythm. I don't blame you. I also do it at times. I don't blame you. But don't shake. Don't move your body. That's the rhythm I'm looking for. This is the muscle we're engaging, guys. So nakazi. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 to go. 9 to go. 8 left. 7 to go. 6 to go. Last 5. Last 4. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. From there, tunaingia the overhead extension. Like I said, Nelly, you're doing just the typical overhead extension standing.
Yeah. I'm
going to do mine on a squat position. Sasa.
Yeah.
So if you want to challenge and you want to engage your legs, this is the position to be in. Nelly, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. 1. Up. 3. Twende kazi. 6. 7, 8. Twende kazi. Yes, here, squat. Doing a sumo squat. Hapa. Then engage them. Up. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. 5 to go. 4 to go. 3 to go. 2 to go. Twende kazi. Last one. Relax. Ooh, breathe. Relax. Relax, relax. Perfecto. From there, tunaingia deadlift with a front raise. Okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's go. Start. Front. 1. Twende kazi. Don't quit. 2. We're working on our lower back. I want you when you come up, mama straight, then straight. Perfect. Down. Then straight. Perfect. Is that 3? 4, 16 to go. Tena kazi skuma. 5. Tuendelee. Posture, back, back, back. Sawa. Stuck hivi. Up. So shoot your bum out. Up. Tena kazi. Chin up. Face forward. Good job. Those are 8. 9 to go. Hey. Yes, yes, yes. Lower back. Very good for your lower back. 7 to go, Nelly. You're doing good. 6 left. Good job. 5 to go. 5 counts, guys. Only 4 more counts. 4 more counts. Twende kazi. 3 more counts. Twende kazi. 3 more counts. 2 more counts. Breathe. 2 more counts. Twende kazi. Last count. Good job. Perfect. Relax. Relax, relax. We're here. Listen, we can still get you to that physical body that you so much desire to have. Okay? Yeah. Just by you being at home. Remember, tunakaa nyumbani kwa sababu serikali inasema tukae nyumbani so that we're able to fight this corona thing. So please kindly stay at home. We have lots of workouts for you, and like we said, engage us, give us your feedback. We want to make it more interesting, more variation, at least to be able to get you viewers at home to enjoy whatever we're doing. Okay, twende kazi. That's one. Good job. It's two. You're only doing 20 reps. Only 20 reps. 3. Sisi wote tucheze our role and let's komesha corona. Sawa. Stay at home, keep your social distance, sanitize, clean your hands, wear your mask, be physically active, have a nice diet. All that will help us all. In case one of us contracts it, if you're physically active, it helps. Your immune system will be able to fight the disease. We are not saying you're going to get it, but we're saying let's all protect ourselves and let's all stay safe. Good job. Perfect, Andele. Good. Good job. Remember, like I said, if you cannot be able to do all that, just do a plank there and just stand still there. That's fine. Up or two. That's enough. Okay. Good job, Nelly. If you feel tired at some point, you can place your knees down on the floor and still be able to go on with the same workout. Push it, Nelly. You're doing fine. Good job. Good job. Twende. Push it. Push it. 6 more counts to go, Nelly. Twende. Twendele. You're doing good. You're doing good. Good job. 3 more counts to go. Stay at home. Stay safe. Let's work out, guys. It's doable. 2 more counts to go. Remember, stay tuned to NTV every day, Monday to Friday, 6:30 to 7 a.m. Okay? NTV Tizi Nyumbani, courtesy of NTV. Me and Eve have a lot of goodies for you guys. Give us your feedback. How are you feeling? Good one?
Super exhausted.
Perfect. I hope you enjoyed the workout. I hope you have learned something that you can actually do at home to be able to strengthen your upper body. Do as many reps as possible. Do as many sets as possible. We're going to finalize our workout with a good stretch. Then we're done for the day. We'll do a stretch standing up. Nelly, you start here. No problem. I'm here. Come here, right?
It's not stable.
Yes. If you can. No, you're fine. Relax. Just breathe in, breathe out. Good job. Bring in the knee. Up.
Same leg.
Yes, same leg. If you can't balance, hold on to the wall or something else. Sasa, naelewa. The other side. Bring it in. If you can do this one, there's always a stretch. We do the one we do seated down. You can still do it. It's the same workout. The same stretch. Sorry. It's still the same stretch. Okay. Good job. You're here. The other leg. Good job. You're here. Twist the ankle one side. The other side.
Stability.
Stability maneno wa monyota. Haya, shikilia ukuta. You can hold on to the wall in case you're not able to stabilize. Just hold on to the wall there. Perfect. Just pull it in and just breathe. Just breathe. Good job. Then now from there we're breathing in, breathe out. Breathe in from here. Breathe in. Out. Twende, breathe in. Out. Last time, breathe in. And out. Thank you so much. Stay tuned again tomorrow for another episode of NTV Tizi Nyumbani. Thank you for keeping us company. Thank you for choosing NTV. Have a lovely day. God bless.
Bye.